What are they doing in the Hyacinth house? What are they doing in the Hyacinth house that please the lions? Yeah. This day I need a brand new friend who doesn't bother me. I need a brand new friend who doesn't trouble me. I need someone who doesn't need me. I see the bathroom is clear. I think that somebody's near. I'm sure that someone is following me. Oh yeah. Why did you throw the jack of hearts away? Why did you throw the jack of hearts away? It was the only car in the world I had left to play. And I'll say it again, I need a brand new friend. And I'll say